Welcome back to Adventure Pulse, the channel where we dive into the most intriguing aspects of the natural world. Today, we're venturing into the nocturnal realm to uncover some fascinating and lesser-known facts about one of the most misunderstood creatures of the night, bats. Prepare to be amazed as we shed light on these mysterious mammals and reveal facts that you may have never known before. Bats are the only mammals capable of sustained flight, and they belong to the order Chiroptera, which means hand wing in Greek. This name is quite fitting, as a bat's wing structure is essentially a modified hand, with elongated fingers connected by a thin membrane of skin. This unique adaptation allows them to maneuver with incredible agility, making them some of the most skilled flyers in the animal kingdom. Contrary to popular belief, not all bats are blind. In fact, most bats have excellent vision, which they use in conjunction with echolocation to navigate and hunt. Echolocation is a sophisticated biological sonar system where bats emit high-frequency sounds that bounce off objects and return as echoes. This process enables them to build a detailed auditory map of their surroundings, allowing them to detect and capture even the smallest insects in complete darkness. Speaking of diet, bats are incredibly diverse in their feeding habits. While many species are insectivorous, consuming vast quantities of insects each night, others have evolved to eat fruit, nectar, and even small vertebrates. The most famous of these are the vampire bats, which feed on the blood of other animals. Despite their fearsome reputation, vampire bats are quite small and typically feed on livestock rather than humans. Their saliva contains a substance called draculin, which prevents blood from clotting, allowing them to feed more efficiently. Bats play a crucial role in ecosystems around the world. Insect-eating bats help control pest populations, reducing the need for chemical pesticides and benefiting agriculture. Meanwhile, fruit and nectar-feeding bats are vital pollinators and seed dispersers for many plants, including important crops like bananas, mangoes, and agave, the plant used to make tequila. Without bats, many of these plants would struggle to reproduce, highlighting the importance of bats in maintaining biodiversity. Bats also have remarkable longevity for their size. While small mammals like mice typically live only a few years, some bat species can live for several decades. For example, the little brown bat, a common species in North America, can live for over 30 years. This longevity is partly due to their ability to enter a state of torpor, a type of hibernation that allows them to conserve energy during periods of food scarcity or cold weather. One of the most intriguing aspects of bats is their social behavior. Many bat species live in large colonies, which can number in the millions. These colonies often roost in caves, abandoned buildings, or trees, where they form tight-knit social groups. Within these colonies, bats exhibit a range of complex behaviors, including grooming, vocal communication, and cooperative hunting. Some species even share food with their roost mates, a behavior known as reciprocal altruism, which helps strengthen social bonds and ensures the survival of the group. Bats are also incredibly resilient creatures. They have adapted to a wide range of habitats, from tropical rainforests to arid deserts. Their ability to thrive in diverse environments is a testament to their evolutionary success. However, bats face numerous threats, including habitat loss, climate change, and disease. One of the most devastating diseases affecting bats is white nose syndrome, a fungal infection that has decimated bat populations in North America. Conservation efforts are underway to protect bats and mitigate the impacts of this disease, highlighting the need for greater awareness and appreciation of these remarkable animals. Another surprising fact about bats is their impact on human culture and mythology. Throughout history, bats have been associated with various symbolic meanings, often linked to darkness and the supernatural. In Western cultures, bats are frequently depicted as ominous creatures, thanks in part to their nocturnal habits and association with vampires. However, in many other cultures, bats are seen as symbols of good luck, prosperity, and even rebirth. For example, in Chinese culture, bats are considered symbols of happiness and longevity, and the word for bat in Chinese sounds like the word for fortune. In recent years, scientists have been studying bats to unlock the secrets of their unique biology, particularly their immune systems. Bats are known to carry a variety of viruses, including some that can be deadly to humans, yet they rarely get sick themselves. This has led researchers to investigate how bats' immune systems can tolerate these pathogens without causing illness. Understanding this could provide valuable insights into disease resistance and potentially lead to new treatments for human diseases. Bats are truly extraordinary creatures that deserve our admiration and protection. By learning more about their fascinating biology, behavior, and ecological importance, we can better appreciate the vital role they play in our world. So, the next time you see a bat swooping through the night sky, remember that there's much more to these nocturnal marvels than meets the eye. Thanks for joining us on this adventure into the world of bats. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating insights into the wonders of nature. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.